making money online seems to be so hard for most of us. Like if you eventually browse every single day looking for where to cash out or looking for where to make money with just your mobile phone and all that, it's at times I think it's also frustrating, because I do feel frustrated most times after going through how to make money online, and you keep seeing different types of jobs and all that in order for you to start making money. And please don't panic, because you're in the right place if you are looking to make money online. And that's why I'm bringing a new platform for you. And it's not just a new platform, it's been old and you'll be hearing of it, but to be honest, I think you're not putting a hard work, and you are also not understanding what you are doing in this particular website. And this website is ysense. Of course, like I said earlier, you'll be hearing about ysense and all that. You haven't put in your effort, like you haven't worked so hard about for this ysense, you haven't cashed out yet. Please, this is how you are going to be cashing out with ysense. And of course, please do watch this video to the end, and don't forget to hit that subscription button. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment below if this video turns out to be helpful. So what is ysense all about? I just want you to understand that ysense is a platform where you complete online surveys, where you watch paid movies, or rather paid videos, and of course you also do affiliate marketing in order for you to start cashing out in ysense. And I found out that playing games on ysense is the way for you to start cashing out in ysense. Like you try to download a game from ysense, and you are always spending your time within the days that are given to you. You try to um do it, you try to play the games within those days. And to be honest with you, just based on one particular game with high pay, that is how you make money. Like you start cashing big cash out on ysense. So let me show you. If you don't have account, please make sure you click on the link on the description box in order for you to go straight to ysense account, or you can still go to your Chrome browser and type ysense.com or hit.www.ysense.com. So you are going to be seeing what ysense is all about, and of course you are going to be signing up.
So all you need to do is go to your Chrome browser and type in ysense.com, or you click on the link in the description box in order for you to get to ysense. So when you have come to this place, you're going to see this first one that says ysense www.ysense.com. So all you need to do is just tap on it. Okay, so when you tap on it, you are going to allow it to load. Okay, is loading. So as you can see, if you're just coming, you have to sign in. I already have account with them, so if you're just coming, you're going to sign up for free and start earning. So all you need to do is put in your email. So you put in your email here. Okay, let me just show you this. I already have account with them, so all you need to do is write your email. Okay, 95 at gmail.com. So the next thing you're going to do is put in your password. You can put in anything you want to put. But I already have account with them, but let me also put in these passwords so that you can see it yourself. So all you have to do is tap on this agree. You agree with their terms and conditions and all that. So all you need to do is tap on join, and it's going to bring you to this particular surface, like another landing page rather. So all you need to do is type in your first name, what you want to be using in your first name. So I think I'm going to be using this name. Okay, so you are going to go to the next page where it's going to ask you your username. So what username do you want to be asking? You can put it there. Then you have to hit on complete. You say this username is already, it says an account already exists with this email address. Log into your account. This username is already in use. Please choose another username. So I've already used this particular account, this particular email address for this. So I'm going to go straight in and log in. Okay, I'm going to go straight in and log in. So let me quickly do that. So let me sign in. Always make sure you are using a particular password that you will never forget. Okay guys, as you can see, this is a merge game that I'm already playing right now, so I'm not yet through with it. So I'm going to be earning, I have 54 days left, and I will be earning $5 from this, $5.62 from this particular game. So I'm not yet done with this game, so they still have it. This is what I've already earned from the game. So what you're going to do is you come to these three dots here by your left hand side. You see these three dots, you're going to see surveys, offers. You play game, you see your affiliate, you see your cash out and form and all that. So all you need to do is come to where it says survey. So at this survey, say complete surveys. Then you go to complete survey. It's going to take you, say please take your time to read. Okay, it's going to bring you to this surface. Okay, it's going to bring you to this surface. Say let's get you earning, but this particular one, just close it. I've not done that, but you can do that if you want to. So these are where you are going to get your surveys. Like if I should do this particular survey, it's going to give me 0.033 cents. Okay, so it says your survey profile, you earn 0.02 cents. So all you need to do is just go here, answer your question like this daily poll, answer the quick daily poll for a guaranteed reward available to complete once per day. So if you want to do this one, you just tap on it and it's going to give you you're going to answer surveys and all that in order for you to earn that particular money. So what it says, voice your opinion on a variety of fun topics and earn one when you submit your vote. So it says, have you ever played the mobile game? So all you have to do is, if you have ever played it, me I haven't played it, so I'm going to say no. Then I'm going to tap to vote, and that is it. So it's going to bring you to another place where it says, have you ever played the, yes, I currently played, go 50. Congratulations, you earned 1 cent for your vote. So I've already earned that 1 cent for my vote. So that is how to earn. And if you go back, you are going to see that your earning has already added up. Okay, so if you want to cash out, this is what you need to do in order for you to cash out. Okay, so what you need to do is, if you get to this $5 to $100, you can come here and claim this ATM, I don't know how they pronounce this, but and Amazon gift card. These are cards that you can redeem. Okay, once you redeem them, you are good to go. You get to $10, you can withdraw your money from paper. Okay, so these are where you can withdraw your money. Once, if you have this airtime ATM, whatever, I call it ATM, but if you have it, all you need to do is get to $5. You can make it happen in one particular day, getting to $5, depending on how you put in your hard works. Okay, so this is my correct, and this is not redeemable because I haven't gotten to any particular one. I would have redeemed it, but after playing that particular game I'm going to be redeeming it in order for you to see how to do it. So here is the affiliate. You can do any affiliate, you can do your referrals. So if you bring people to this particular platform, you are going to be earning. Okay, you're going to be earning from your referrals. So that is how it is. So this is all about ysense, and you can come here to see how much you make, like the three dots at your right hand side. So you can see this, how much you make each day, offers, and the ones you have actually make. So if you haven't made anyone, lifetime checklist bonus, so I have already have 0.02 cents. So this is all about this ysense of 18, and to be honest, it pays you. Okay, I already had that game played on my phone, and they recorded it. So all you have to do is, once you have this game, once you are playing the game, just make sure that it is being trackable on your phone. Okay, so you have to turn in to track it in order for you to, anytime you complete each level, it credits you 0.0 cents. Imagine doing what you like. Yeah, so that is the end of this video. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about ysense, and please don't forget to hit that subscription button, and don't forget to like this video. See you in my next video.